In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open a Cadillac Escalade key fob to replace the internal battery at home. You might have this same key fob, but with 6 buttons on the front. Comes in a couple different versions. If you have that one, don't worry. The battery inside here is exactly the same, and the process to open it up is the same as well. So just follow along with me, and we'll get a new battery in there in no time. The only thing you will need is is one of these CR2032 batteries. And if you'd like to get one of those online, check out the link I have left in the description. That will take you over to Amazon, where you can buy one of these for just a couple of bucks. And then the other thing you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver. The first step is to hold down the button on the face of the device. Hold that down, pull out the internal key, and just set that to the side. Now take your flathead screwdriver and holding the device with the back facing up, we're going to insert the flathead into the keyhole and just pry back a little bit, just applying a little bit of pressure until you hear a little cracking sound, and you can see that corner has started to open up. We're just basically lifting this back section off with the tool here. Once you have this opening, I'd recommend that you just put the flathead in the opening and twist, and slowly work your way down, twisting and opening so that you don't damage anything. There we go. And once you have this side completely open, you just fold it open like a book. Now you can set this down. Right up here in the corner, there is a little opening, a little space for us to put our flathead and pry the battery up. And the battery will come with this metal component attached to it. Just go ahead and push that out for now and set this down. Do not lose this. We will need this in a moment. Just dispose of your old battery. Take your new CR2032 battery, and we are going to put it back in that piece of metal with the positive side facing down. Okay, so if you look at this, we're going to put the positive side down in there and just kind of click it in place. It's pretty easy to do. You will see the text through this little ring. And now all we need to do is drop this into its housing, and you can see this part that sticks out is obviously going to line up with this part in the housing. So just position that on top and squeeze it together with your fingers until it sits flush in there, and it won't fall out, and that means you are good to go. And just click these two pieces back together. Just going to squeeze it all back together and put our key back in there, and we are done. So I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, come check us out here on YouTube. We have videos for pretty much every device from every maker model, and you can also get that information directly over at our website, fobbattery.com.